Right, back on the Matchless. Reset the rings, got it all back together, changed all the gaskets because it was leaking oil everywhere. The fast cylinder, the bore's a bit scored, but that one didn't look like it was oiling up. But I thought I'll change the oil before I start it up. I undone the drain bolt, nothing come out, so I prodded it with a screwdriver and it came down. I took the filter out, that's not good, and this is even worse. This is what was in the tank, but the tank still feels heavy. There's a baffle in there, we're washing it out, it's not going to help. So what I'm going to do now is fill it with vinegar and leave it for 3 or 4 days and see if I can get all that out. Although the oil level was showing high, there wasn't a great deal of oil in it. So that's the next thing to do.